Greetings, everybody. I have a haircut. I got a new Nerf gun today. If you want to see it, it's already been open. It's hiding. You know what? Oh! Ow. Here's my new Nerf gun called Omega. Ooh, people gotta be jealous. Ooh, I can shoot you with that. Oh. That almost fell. Hold on one second. Okay. It's one of those missile things, but it's called Omega. Here it is. That's my Xbox controller. Look at the size of this gun. Seriously. Amazing, isn't it? It's so dramatic. So much dramatic, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. That's my new gun. Give me a minute. Look at this reloading. It's really how to reload. Oh. That it got it in? No. Well, I'm not playing games today. But I just let you know I was back. I was let you. I was letting you guys know I am back. That's all. Have a nice day and afternoon. Kind of thing. Yeah. See you guys later.